Smartphones are getting smarter day by day, so for that reason, Vivo has decided to put in-display fingerprint technology with the modern display. It's Harry Samin from #TecHno. What's up everyone? This is the unboxing video of Vivo v11pro. #TecHno. Before we get into the unboxing video, please do subscribe to my channel so that you cannot miss any of the updates from the #TecHno. So let's get into the unboxing. First of all, the front of the box is showing the display of the smartphone. That's quite good. That's Vivo seal, and back on the back it's shown the starry night color with the dual SIM and PT approved. Let's just open the box. Here we go. Here's another one. Let's just open it up and look what we found in the box. It's coming close. It's some sort of, I think, paperwork and silicone pouch like in the Vivo V9 they provided. Oh my god. Yes, it is. It's the SIM ejecting tool and the tour guide with the silicone pouch. Here's the device. It's looking so good. Let's just unwrap it so that we can have a look of the beautiful device. Oh my god, it's looking so good. Wow, the color is totally amazing. It's said to be the starry night. We will have a look at it on later on. Let's find out what's else in the box. It's the fast charger from the last time. It's as same as it's provided in the Vivo V9, but it's good quality. I remember that. So let's keep it side. Here's the data cable. Simple, not a type C. No, what's else? It's the hand-free. It's looking good. Vivo printed on it. It seems like AirPod OS. Now let's set the phone. Setup is completed. The starry night color is so attracting. Now let's get into the display. Oh my god, just look at it. It's so good. The Super AMOLED screen used by the Vivo is so eye-catching. The screen to body ratio is so perfect, 19.5 ratio by 9. Now let's go into the setting to set up the in-display fingerprint lock, that to find it out that it's even working or not, where it is. Let's set it up really quick so that we can check that it's working or not. The setup is being complete. Now check it out that it's even working. Now it's showing on the screen. Let's check it. Kaboom! Oh my god, yes, it's working. Let's try another time. Oh my god, yes, it's working. It's totally amazing. So thanks for watching my video, guys. Do tell me in the comment section how do you like my video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.